Welcome back to Motor Hub. Today we're diving into a machine that's not just a car, it's an experience. The 2025 Ferrari Roma. This car embodies Ferrari's timeless blend of elegance, innovation, and sheer driving pleasure. The Roma has always been about a balance between power and luxury, and Ferrari has outdone themselves with this 2025 model. Just look at those sleek, flowing lines. It's a perfect blend of aggression and sophistication. The Roma's design language pays tribute to Ferrari's heritage, but with a modern twist that makes it stand out on today's roads. From the low, aggressive stance to the bold grille, everything screams performance, but in the most refined way possible. Underneath that sculpted hood lies a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8, delivering 612 horsepower and a blistering 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds. But it's not just about numbers, it's the way the Roma delivers that power. The engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, giving you lightning-fast shifts and a driving experience that's smooth yet thrilling. Whether you're cruising along the highway or pushing it to the limit on a track, the Roma adapts, making every moment behind the wheel unforgettable. Now, let's talk about the interior. Ferrari has made the Roma's cabin a masterclass in Italian craftsmanship. Luxurious leather, carbon fiber accents, and that signature Ferrari steering wheel create an environment that feels both sporty and opulent. The new Roma features an advanced digital cockpit that's driver-focused but also comfortable for long-distance touring. From the intuitive touchscreen to the customizable driving modes, everything is designed to enhance the driving experience. The 2025 Roma isn't just about performance, it's about making a statement. Whether you're arriving at a 5-star event or enjoying a weekend getaway, this car turns heads. With the latest in Ferrari's driver assistance technology, you get a blend of raw power and modern safety features. So, there you have it. The 2025 Ferrari Roma, a stunning combination of beauty, power, and innovation. Whether you're an enthusiast or someone who just appreciates the finer things in life, this car delivers on all fronts. Make sure to subscribe to Motor Hub for more in-depth looks at the world's most exciting cars. Until next time, keep those engines running.